Why you trying to stick me for my bread, homie? You want my bread? Well, you a ugly little thing in the face, ain't you? Would you let me pet you? No, huh? What's up? You got some shit on your lip, like right here in the corner of your mouth right there. Yeah, you been. Is that bird poop on the side of your mouth? Oh, look, your homies are coming too. Mm. So what's up? You wanna chat? They call me the animal whisperer. You see that white shit on his lip? He been eating somebody booty. Oh, see, I was telling the truth. You see, he left. He ain't like the truth being exposed. See, you gotta expose these gang stalkers.